My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. That's just right there. Stop. Yep. Just came back from what's that count? That's not brunch. Huh?
Oh.
No, not the location.
Linner.
What was that?
Lunch and dinner.
Linner?
Linner.
Did you make that up, or that's some white people
it's a
shit?
Thing. No, it's a thing.
That's some white people shit.
No, it's not. It's a people that do brunch but do a labor. It's Linner.
Comment below if you ever heard of Leonard.
Linner.
Leonard, like
Leonard, like name.
Linner.
Yeah, like lunch and dinner. It's like in betweener. Linner.
Yo, you made that up. You made that.
Linner up. I said put it in betweener lunch and dinner.
Comment below if you ever heard of Leonard. Leonard. Linner. And it's in between lunch and dinner. I think she just made that up. My angles are horrible.
When you point to me.
Anyway, yo, real quick. I'm sorry. I know this is supposed to be a sneaker review, and it will be. I promise you. She has this laugh. It's like
You did it too.
she has this laugh where it's like she's like a silent assassin. Like she doesn't want to be loud, so she'd be like,
No, you know.
Do it. Do the laugh.
There's actually a sound bite that sounds like it. It's the one that sounds like a fat old smoker.
Anyway, this is, I promise y'all, there is a sneaker review in this video. I promise y'all, there's a sneaker review, in this video somewhere. Anyway, on the way to spot, give y'all this early sneaker review. Y'all know what I do, man. I'm gonna give y'all this review. This shoe drops at the end of this month. It is a couple days after Valentine's Day, so hope everybody had a wonderful V-Day with their loved ones. Or if you was alone, I hope that you turned up by yourself. It's okay, you don't gotta have somebody. You can turn up, you know. But
party line.
Yeah, party lines is insane. Showing that age, party line.
Okay, well, I'm sorry. I hope someone slid in your DMs or you swiped left. Right? What do you do it?
Shit like she don't know.
I don't be on dating sites.
Anyway, early review. I'm gonna get to do the shoe, and I'll be back after that to give y'all some information about the shoe. You know what I do, so stay tuned for that, and enjoy the review, and I'll be back after that. Okay, we got this Jordan box right here. First of all, I like the baby blue Jumpman right there in the center. I like that. We got that elephant print on the side going straight down. Okay, I like that. It look like a little grayish teal tan. That's what I meant. I said teal, tan. Label reads Air Jordan 3 Retro Summit White. What's that? Hydrogen blue? I think that's what it means. Size 9. I do go up a half size in Jordan 3s because they're kind of tight. Got the shoe right there. Let me take this out. See the regular elephant print paper right there. All right, let me set this up so y'all can see this. Boom. Put this up here. Well, down here. Without further ado, we got let me get this straight. Okay. Air Jordan 3 Lucky Shorts. Boom. Okay, we got an Air Jordan 3 Lucky Shorts. I love that baby blue, that sky blue. I love that. I love this white, like off. It's not off white. Well, the midsole is off white, and the bottom right there is off white. White laces right there. See the baby blue eyelids right there. You see a real plush leather. You can see that. You already see the wrinkle, the wrinkles in it. That off-white outer sole, I do like that. Well, midsole, excuse me. I do like that a lot. Add some vintage look to it. Look at that. Remember that plush I was talking about? Look at that. Look at it wrinkling up. I like that. I like that. I'm not going to say this is the best leather. I'm not nowhere near the best leather, but it's not the worst, if that makes any sense. Baby blue Jumpman on the back right there with air. There you go on the pull tab. Yeah, I mean, it's a clean shoes. I mean, it's pretty basic, and I like blue and white shoes anyway. So, I mean, it just goes with anything. You can put this with anything. It's a nice shoe. It's a cop for me. Y'all let me know if it's a cop or drop for y'all. What y'all think. I gotta figure out which thumbnail gonna be. I like that. I'll probably do that. All right, let's go get y'all some information. Go back to the house. Get some information about the shoe. So stay tuned for that. Okay, we back at the house. About to give y'all some information like I always do. Hope y'all enjoyed the small little review. I thought I had something to say about it. I forgot. Anyway, all right, let's go get straight to the information. This is off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. Hold on. I'm waiting for this ad to close so I can put it up on the screen. Hold on. Come on. Skip that ad. All right, so the video should be up. 3, 2, 1. Should be up right now next to me. It reads Air Jordan 3 Lucky Shorts released February 2025. Yeah, Lucky Shorts. Jordan Brand is set to launch a new version of the Air Jordan 3. This edition draws inspiration from Michael Jordan's Lucky UNC practice shorts. Jordan wore these shorts under his Chicago Bulls uniform in every NBA game. I did not know that. They are a key part of his legacy and supremacy. Oh, there go the shorts right there. Okay. Michael Jordan, famous for his competitiveness spirit, had malicious routines. One of them was wearing his University of North Carolina, UNC, practice shorts beneath his professional uniform. This tradition started in college, where he led the UNC Tar Heels to an NCAA championship in 1982. These lucky shorts symbolize a connection to his roots. The light blue shorts, representing UNC's colors, became a talisman for Jordan. They accompanied him throughout his legendary career with the Chicago Bulls. The new Air Jordan 3 release honors these memorable shorts. The sneaker is expected to feature colors and designs similar to the UNC blue and white. Subtle details like mesh fiber and color, Pacific colors blocking will echo the original practice shorts design. This release not only celebrates Jordan's time at UNC, but also his successful NBA career. His career includes 6 championships and many memorable moments. Air Jordan 3 Lucky Shorts release dates will be available on February 22nd, 2022. You can find them at selected Jordan Brand retailers, both in store and online, as well as Nike.com. Men's sizes will retail for $200. And there we go. Grade school, preschool, toddler will be priced at $150, $90, and $75 respectively. This new release is a tribute to Michael Jordan's journey from the college to NBA legend. It captures the essence of his career and traditions that define his success. Fans and sneaker enthusiasts alike will appreciate this nostalgia nod to basketball history. Still, and blah, blah, there we go. So 200 is the release date. There with a style code, February 22nd, which I think is this week, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's this week. There goes some more images for you. Boom, boom, boom. All right, turn on that. Let me close this real quick. Turn it. All right. Let me see. What's today's date? Today's 17th. Yeah. Oh, wait. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yeah, it's this week. Yes, this Saturday. So, yeah, it will be releasing this Saturday. It is Monday, the time of me recording this. Y'all probably going to see this on Tuesday because it is already 8 o'clock p.m. So, I know. Oh, you know what? If I make this and upload it fast enough, it might be uploaded on Monday. But I'm going by. I always, when I upload videos, I go by East Coast time. So 9 o'clock here is 12 o'clock East Coast time, which will be Tuesday. So I'm just going to play it safe and say Tuesday, this video will be up. So hope y'all enjoy that. But yeah, what y'all think about the Air Jordan 3 Lucky Shorts? This is probably going to be my last release pickup of 2023. I like the color block and I like the light blue with some gray. I like that. I will be picking. I don't even like threes like that, but I will be picking up these. I'm pretty sure. And I don't think these are going to be hard to cop. Threes don't really sell like that. So y'all let me know if this is a cop or drop for y'all. They're going to be picking up the Air Jordan 3 Lucky Shorts that dropped this Saturday. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tunes Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.